Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in. Today's tutorial is going to be on makeup. Women need it, men need it, children need it. Anybody in photography and video needs to know how to do makeup. If you don't have a makeup artist there, then you're just going to have to draw it in yourself. In this case, we grabbed this woman off the internet and we did her makeup all from scratch. You want to see what she looks like with it off? I'm going to turn her makeup off right now. Boom. This is what she normally looks like without makeup. So what we did is made up all these layers here, and we're going to show you not the process of making each layer, but just afterwards. So first we're going to start with the eye whites. And basically we draw in some whites of the eyes. I'm going to turn it on right about now. Okay, I'm toggling it back and forth, and you can see that everything that I put in is semi translucent, like this is 40. I'm going to bring it up to 50%. Now, but I ruined her eyes. So I had previously cut out her eyeballs and made them darker. So I'm going to turn them on right now. And there's the eyeballs. So now we got the eyeballs and the eye whites looking better. The next is going to be a foundation. We did an overall foundation on the whole face. And here it goes. In 3, 2, 1, boom. There's a whole foundation on her whole face. And this also is, everything's translucent. This one's at 25%. The next one is going to be the eyebrow. Her eyebrows are kind of weird. They're funky. They kind of come down here. So I drew new ones right there. Also cleaning up the upper eyelid. The next is going to be the eyeshadow. We have to add some eyeshadow on the upper eye. And there we go. Continuing to the eyeliner with the bottom side of the eye. There we go. Gives us the nice little cat edges. Next is going to be the eyelashes. We grabbed these on the internet as PNGs, positioned them and sized them, and there they go. Next one up is the upper lip. These are pretty easy to do. And you make these semi-translucent, the lower lip. And finally, it's going to be the shadows. The shadows are really important to give dimension that the light is coming from forward, ahead, and that it thins out her face. Here we go, shadows, boom. I'm toggling these on and off. And that's pretty much it. What's really kind of fun to do is if you put a layer with just black and I turn that on, you can see what all the layers of the fixing does. This is everything except and without the actual original picture. And I call this Rich's Negative Art. Anyway, this is what it takes to put together all the makeup. And I'm going to turn this back off so I can show you the finished product again. And there she is with all her makeup in all her glory. This is Rich calling it quits for this tutorial, saying over and out.